Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you and discuss how to write a program that will convert given grams value into kilograms using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. So we have here sharp include IO stream for input output, sharp include IO manip for input output manipulator. So IO stream is a standard library file for input output in C++. Using namespace int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. Begin float grams, we declare a variable here. Console out new line, the title of our program, grams to kilograms in C++. Give grams value that will be stored in our variable grams. I declare a variable float kilograms equals grams, divide by 1000. Console out new line here. Set precision to decimal places fix. These commands belongs here in IO manip for input output manipulator. Grams, equivalent, and kilograms, new line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, new line, and then system pause, and then we close here. The system pause is not a standard command, this command only exists in code blocks and dev C++. Okay, let us go with our dev C++ compiler, integrated development environment rather, sorry for that. Compile and run. Grams to kilograms in C++. Give grams value, let's say 1650. 1600 grams is equivalent to 1.65 kilograms and a program. Another example, we run 5400. 5400 grams is equivalent to 5.40 kilograms and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on grams to kilograms in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. And this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.